Greetings, Seahawks. Here is an informative video to assist you in navigating the registration process. All English teachers will be showing this presentation to their classes prior to registration. Your English teacher will provide you with the date that your class is scheduled to meet with the guidance specialist to register for classes. When selecting your classes, we encourage you to choose classes that will prepare you for a successful college and career experience. In order to graduate from Ocean View High School, students must earn at least 220 credits. You will need to meet the following subject requirements: 4 years of English, 1 year of World History, which is taken during your sophomore year, 1 year of U.S. History, which is taken during your junior year, 1 semester of Government, and 1 semester of Economics during your senior year, 3 years of Mathematics, 1 of which must be an Advanced Math, Algebra 1 or higher, 1 year of Physical Science and 1 year of Life Science, 1 semester of Health, 2 years of a physical education class which includes PE, a sport, cheer, or PE marching band. Students must also complete 1 year of either a visual or performing art, a world language, or career technical education. During your freshman and sophomore year, students must be enrolled in at least 6 classes. For your junior and senior years, 5 classes are sufficient as long as you are on track for graduation. Do you know if you're on track to graduate? If not, what can you do? See your guidance specialist or the school counselor, Mrs. Collison, to sign up for credit recovery through adult school or to discuss other options. A through G college admission requirements for a 4-year university after high school are similar to our graduation requirements. However, all the courses must be completed with a grade of C or better. The A requirement is 1 year of U.S. history and 1 year of world history. The B requirement is 4 years of college prep English. AP is recommended. The C requirement is 3 years of advanced math, 4 years are recommended, and students must complete Algebra 2. The D requirement is 2 years of a laboratory science, 3 or more years are recommended. The E requirement is 2 years of the same world language, 3 or more years are recommended. The F requirement is 1 year-long course of a visual or performing art. The G requirement is 1 additional year of an approved academic elective. Which classes qualify as a visual or performing art? Just look at these. Remember, math and world language validate themselves. In other words, a grade of C or better earned in a second semester will validate a D earned in the first semester. For chemistry, a C grade or better earned in second semester will validate a D from first semester only for Cal State universities, but not UC schools. To check if you are on the A through G track or to learn how to read your transcript, see your guidance specialist or your school counselor, Mrs. Collison. Please take a moment to look at the recommended sequencing for mathematics and science. The sequencing is also available in the course selection guide. And now, let's break down the registration process to its simplest form. Step 1. Complete a course selection sheet. You will have your own course selection sheet based upon your grade level. On the date that you register with your guidance specialist, you will need to have your course selection sheet filled out and signed with a parent's signature. Be sure to choose a class from English and Social Studies. Math, Science, and PE should be added as needed. Regarding electives, don't forget to indicate an alternative class in case your first choice is not available. Lastly, do not forget to circle the level of class you are choosing. On the back of your course selection sheet, you will find written directions on how to input your courses in Aries. Step 2. Obtain parent or guardian signatures. Remember that AP classes require both parent and student signatures. Step 3. Input your course selections in Aries. You must have an Aries account to do this. If you do not have an Aries account, please see your guidance specialist prior to registration. Directions on how to enter your course in Aries can be found on the back side of your course selection sheet. Step 4. Meet with your guidance specialist during English class on your assigned date to go over your selections. Teacher signatures are only required for leveling up in a class. For example, if you are in a college prep English and would like to go to Honors English or AP English next year, you will need a teacher recommendation. If you are unsure of what class you should take next year, please discuss it with your teacher or guidance specialist before choosing. If you are not recommended for a class, there is the option to petition into the class depending on space. See your guidance specialist regarding petitions. Please keep in mind, zero period meets every day at 7 a.m. Please mark if you do not want a zero period on your course selection sheet. However, this is only a request and cannot be guaranteed. Also, when making your selections, please note that some AP and honors classes may have summer assignments. Please check with your teachers prior to leaving for summer vacation. Who is my guidance specialist, you ask? Simple. We have 2 guidance specialists here at Ocean View High School. Mr. Arvizu helps students with the last names A through LI. Mrs. Supernaw helps students with last names LL through Z. The number of classes available are based upon how many students sign up for classes. Choose your classes carefully. If you change your mind later, there may not be room in a different class. Please remember, class requests are not guaranteed. This concludes our registration process video. We hope it has been helpful. Do you still have questions? Don't worry. You will have all of your questions answered when you meet with your guidance specialists. Questions about AVID, ROP, or Business Academy? Please look under Guidance on the OVHS website for additional information.